What's the meaning of coursebook? Coursebook. Coursebook.
Coursebook. Coursebook. A coursebook is a textbook or instructional material designed for use in a specific academic course or program. It typically includes information on the subject matter, exercises, and assessments to aid in learning. Coursebooks are often used in formal educational settings, such as classrooms or online courses, and are intended to guide students through a structured curriculum. They can range from basic introductions to advanced materials depending on the level of the course. Ultimately, coursebooks serve as a key resource for students to gain knowledge and skills in a particular subject area.